Hi Ray, I've got a quick one. With new images, it was working fine, and yesterday I cleared the list. So anything that needed action, I pushed to the live images or hit them. So there was nothing in the list. I've come in today, and if I click on the drop down, all of the hashtags, I'm pretty sure it's all of them, are visible in the new images section, but there's nothing in any of them because there's no new images. So there must be a glitch in the program where if there's no new images to be found, it lists all of them. Perhaps could you have a look at that for me? That'd be great. Okay, thanks, Ray. Cheers.